Hey guys, Everything Technology here, and I just picked up one of the brand new iPhone XS's. I don't know, but I picked up one of the new phones. We're gonna be doing a top 5 features on it. This is a 64 gigabyte variant. That's not even opened yet, so we're gonna unbox it real quick, and we're gonna look at some of my favorite features on the brand new iPhone XS. Let's get right into it. Okay, my first favorite feature on this phone is the design. I love the new gold color. The stainless steel sides look really flashy, and the back resembles almost like a bandage type color. At least that's what a lot of people are saying, and I see where they're coming from. Although the overall design is very similar to its previous predecessor, I'm still a huge fan of this new gold color. My next favorite feature is the camera. The pictures on this 12 megapixel sensor are amazing. It's actually a 35% larger sensor than the one on its previous predecessor. The colors look really great, and the overall image representation looks wonderful. Pictures are sharp, dynamic range is great, and I love the new features with the portrait mode. Take a look at some of these pictures and videos I shot with it. At number 2 is the display. If you haven't seen the display in person, you definitely need to. This is rocking a beautiful 5.8-inch OLED panel, so expect true blacks and beautiful colors. This is definitely one of the best panels I've ever seen on any smartphone, and definitely the best panel on any iPhone as of, I guess, the latest generation of iPhones. But it's an amazing panel. You definitely need to see this in person. My next favorite feature is the speed. This is rocking Apple's latest A12 Bionic chip, the fastest chip on any smartphone as of now, at least that's what Apple claims, and apparently it's 50% faster than its previous one. Well, anyway, navigating and multitasking on this phone is extremely smooth. Also, I played Bullet Force with my friends, and it seemed to handle it really well in max settings. Moving on to my fourth feature is definitely space or storage, whatever you want to call it. It's now available in 512 gigabytes. I know it's not expandable like most Android phones, but if you're one who stores a lot of content on your phone, then this is perfect, especially if you're an iPhone user. The only downside is that every time you want to get more storage, you have to pay more for the phone, which sucks. And my last favorite feature on this phone is definitely the speakers. I think it's like underrated. The stereo speakers on this phone is actually pretty damn good, especially if you're coming from a phone that doesn't have stereo speakers, or if you're coming from one of the previous iPhones like the iPhone 8 or the 8 Plus. The speakers sound really good. They're really loud, they sound really full, and I enjoy like watching YouTube videos on this and listening to music. Concluding, great phone, but in my opinion it's definitely overpriced, and you should probably look into getting a slightly used iPhone X because it's pretty much the same thing, and in my area it goes for around $600, which is half the price of a brand new iPhone XS, which is pretty ridiculous. And then you have the iPhone XS Max going for as much as $1,500. I don't know about you guys, but I'd rather get a like used Toyota Corolla for that much. But overall, if you're upgrading maybe from like an iPhone 7, iPhone 6, iPhone 6s, then it's definitely worth the upgrade. But I still think the iPhone X is a better price. You're getting more for what you paid for, like $600 compared to like $1,100. Like that's a big difference. It's not worth getting this phone in my opinion. I'd rather just go for the X. But thanks for watching. This has been Victor with another Everything Technology video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.